Welcome back, viewers. This is Dave Epstein from the Post-Pollock firm. Here to talk to you today about pranksters, but it's just a limited story about a particular prankster that we reported on, I don't even know, a few months ago. This was the prankster who calls himself Wolfie Kahletti. I believe his real name is, let me look it up, I think it's Charles Smith. I might have that wrong. This was the guy who went into, I think it was a Walmart where they sold produce, and filmed himself spraying bug spray onto vegetables and other produce. And he found himself being charged. He thought it was hilarious at first. Well, here's the update. And this is a little lesson to you TikTokers or YouTubers who think all this stuff is fun and games and funny. He was very recently sentenced to a year in jail and 3 years of probation for his little prank. He expressed remorse when he spoke to the police, or rather to the judge. We here will show you the video as we originally showed it. He's now expressing remorse because he's got to go to the slammer. I don't know how the law works where he is, or how long, whether he gets time off for good behavior, but he's going to do actual time, this kid. He did say apparently he had a change of heart after he did it. In other words, he was broadcasting it, I think, live. And I guess enough people said, hey, that's messed up. So he turned around, he went back to try to throw out all the tainted food. Whatever happened, he got caught. Walmart did give a statement. They said that nobody ate the tainted food, but they had to throw out close to $1,000 worth of produce because of this kid's stunt. But this is a story that's out there for the TikToker and YouTube pranksters, and it's a story for the general public who's sick of this stuff. Take heart knowing that at least somewhere, someplace, there are people now facing consequences for this stupid behavior. This was particularly stupid. I think even some of his viewers were commenting on just how messed up this was and how dangerous and reckless. You're putting poison in the food. That's a very serious offense, as he's learning by doing a year in jail. Now, you could say, well, what's a year in jail? I don't know who I'm talking to now, but I will tell you, I don't want to spend a year in a cell, or even in general population. So, YouTubers, TikTokers, beware. General public, we scored one victory. Thanks for watching. This is Dave Epstein for the Post-Pollock channel. We hope to see you next time. Please hit like, subscribe, and please leave your comments. Bye-bye.